In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fulfill orders automatically with Zendrop. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up auto fulfillment, so your orders are processed with minimal manual work, saving you both time and headaches. First, start by logging into your Zendrop admin dashboard. This is your main control center where you can see and manage everything related to your store's orders and products. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu. In that menu, find the option labeled Orders and click on it. When you open the Orders page, you'll see a list of all the orders that have come into your store. This is the same area you might be used to using for manually fulfilling or checking order statuses. Now we're going to turn this into a more automated process. Look toward the top right corner of the Orders page. You should see an option for auto fulfillment with a toggle switch next to it. Go ahead and switch that toggle on. Turning this on tells Zendrop that you want the system to start handling the fulfillment process for you. Once the toggle is on, you'll notice a drop-down menu appear, which will let you customize exactly how that automation works. Click on the drop-down, and you'll be given a couple of choices for how often Zendrop should fulfill your orders. The first option is auto fulfillment, instantly. With this setting, your orders are checked and fulfilled automatically approximately every 10 minutes. This is a great choice if you want your customers' orders to be processed as quickly as possible without you needing to log in and do anything. The second option is daily. If you choose this mode, Zendrop will batch all of your orders together and fulfill them once per day at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This can be helpful if you prefer predictable, once-a-day processing, or if you like to review orders before they're all sent through at the same time. In this same area, you'll also see additional toggles that you can turn on, such as a 24-hour delay. Enabling a 24-hour delay means that orders will not be fulfilled immediately. Instead, they'll wait for a full day before being processed. Many store owners like this option because it creates a buffer for handling customer changes, cancellations, or edits before the order is locked in. You'll also see an option to use promos if that's available in your account. Turning this on allows Zendrop to apply any eligible promotions or discounts automatically during fulfillment. This helps ensure that your customers receive the correct pricing and any special offers you've set up without you needing to manually adjust each order. Once you've chosen between instant or daily auto fulfillment and decided whether to enable the 24-hour delay and promos, your setup is essentially complete. Zendrop will now follow these settings for all future orders, automatically handling fulfillment based on the rules you've selected. That's all there is to it. By enabling auto fulfillment in Zendrop and choosing the timing and options that best fit your business, you can keep your orders flowing smoothly while freeing yourself up to focus on marketing, customer service, and growing your store.